Another camping win, Dutch oven chicken and rice. This can be cooked over hot coals or in the oven. Once you've chopped your onion and garlic, season the chicken on both sides and under the skin with Cajun seasoning and salt to taste. To a preheated Dutch oven, saute the onion, garlic, and spices in ghee or butter until tender, about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in the rice, then create a well in the center. Add chicken, water, and salt. Give the mixture a light stir and cook over prepared coals on top and bottom. We put 8 on the bottom and 16 on the top. Meanwhile, I'm making some quick canned green beans with bacon, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Cook on medium heat 15 to 20 minutes. After the chicken has covered 30 minutes, we'll stir and cook an additional 30 minutes. Add more coals if needed. Check that the chicken has reached 165 and the rice is tender. It's super delicious. Enjoy!